Advantages of driving simulator for beginners. Hello friends, welcome to Car Learner. Today we'll discuss a trend tool called driving simulator and driving training. We'll see why this didactic tool is essential for newbies. So let's get started. Training for all. If the driving quality is poor, especially in case of where driving abilities are high, then driving in a simulator gives you a certain level of quality, enhances efficiency. The trainee gets much more experience in less time. Relevant drivers can be practiced better than in a real car on the roads. Full transfer of control to automatic processing. Through driving simulators, the trainee gets separate driving tasks such as lane changing, and can practice it again and again without any distraction or danger. Instant response. You get an immediate and consistent response from the instructor through which you learn faster. Reliable evaluation of each lesson. You can get complete and reliable lessons. Each student's documented audibly. All students get the same quality in all aspect driving tasks. Increases capacity of training. The use of driving simulators can increase the capacity of driving schools while reducing cost. Also, you can practice in special circumstances like snow, rainy and night driving. Thanks for watching the video. For details, check the description box.